Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a video on making gift boxes. So I am going to be giving these out for Christmas gifts around the holidays. So I wanted to show you how I make them. I got this idea from a lady that I follow on Instagram. Her name is She Is Overdressed. She does a lot of hosting of parties. So she put together this really idea and I thought it was so cute and I wanted to do it and recreate it. So I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to put in the box and then show you how I'm going to organize it and package it up for everybody. So keep on watching. So I want to start with my favorite item that I'm putting in the box. So I found these at Bevmo. These are small 187 milligram or milliliter Moet bottles. They're about $17. And then I have, what are these, blackberries, brie cheese. Now the reason that I chose brie cheese was because it was already wrapped. Also I have some dried cranberries and some chocolate covered raisins. I have pistachios, almonds, grapes, water crackers, Ritz crackers, Melba toast, Triscuits, and then a couple types of meats. And then I also have like these little tags that I'm going to use. I purchased this from Michael's, and also some twine which I'm going to wrap around to close up the box. So I'm going to use my gloves because I am safe, and I'm going to have my mask on. Now my mask matches my little outfit, and I got this mask. Her name is Asha, so she has Made by Asha masks. You can purchase these, and I'll link her information as well. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is the finished product, and you can write on these little tags. Again, I purchased these from Michael's, or what I was thinking about doing was just having some labels printed on these, and then you just get the twine and then tie it around. But this is what it looks like. This is how I have it arranged. One thing that I didn't buy was some garnish, so you can go out and buy some rosemary and put it like on top of the cheese or by the meat to just give a little bit more definition and greenery, more color to your box. But I didn't do that because my cheese is covered. But it still would have been a good idea. I just couldn't find it at my grocery store. So I would recommend rosemary as the garnish that you use for this box. But this is what it looks like, and I purchased these boxes. I believe I purchased them from Amazon, so I will look that information up and then I will link it in the comments as well. But yeah, this is your finished product. I hope you guys enjoy and you guys try it out. They are so cute, but let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!